Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, regional banks. I've been a customer of regional banks for years, and I've always been impressed by their commitment to their communities. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, what states have region bank locations? I'll also provide some tips on how to choose a regional bank. So, let's get started. What states have region bank locations? The answer is, all of them. There are regional banks in every state in the United States. However, the number of regional banks varies from state to state. Some states have a large number of regional banks, while others have a smaller number. Here are a few of the most popular states for regional banks: California, Texas, Florida, New York, Illinois. These states have a large number of people and businesses, which makes them attractive to regional banks. How to choose a regional bank? Now that you know which states have region bank locations, how do you choose a regional bank? Here are a few tips. Do your research. There are a lot of regional banks out there, so it's important to do your research before choosing one. Read online reviews, talk to friends and family, and visit the bank's website. Consider your needs. What are you looking for in a bank? Do you need a bank that's close to your home or work? Do you need a bank that offers a variety of services? Compare interest rates. Interest rates can vary from bank to bank. Be sure to compare interest rates before choosing a bank. Read the fine print. Before you sign up for a bank account, be sure to read the fine print. This will help you understand the terms and conditions of your account. Benefits of using a regional bank. There are a number of benefits to using a regional bank. Here are a few. Better customer service. Regional banks typically offer better customer service than large national banks. This is because regional banks are smaller and more personal. More competitive interest rates. Regional banks often offer more competitive interest rates than large national banks. More community involvement. Regional banks are often more involved in their communities than large national banks. This is because regional banks are often owned and operated by local people. I hope this video has helped you learn more about regional banks. If you're looking for a bank that offers great customer service, competitive interest rates, and community involvement, I encourage you to consider a regional bank. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. I encourage you to do your research and choose a regional bank that's right for you.